wasn't planning on sharing this. I wasn't planning on sharing this, but fuck it. Yesterday, we had an amazing time. We tried to see how we could use AI to actually predict some course results. Well, the results are out. Welcome to the Board AI, where I show you practical ways to use the AI. No gimmick, no fancy gear, straight right to it with mistakes. Because it's gonna be live shows, live tricks, no fancy editing. We go straight down to the thing. Okay. Yesterday we tried to predict some scores, as you can see. Yesterday was the 17th. We had to see we did what we call prompt engineering to see the best way to use AI, the best way to use ChatGPT. And I made it clear that you could use prompt engineering. I'm gonna leave the link to the video up here. Go watch it and see how you can get the next game prediction down. Without further ado, let's get right to it. As you can see, I have here yesterday, 7th of March. We have these four gameplays here. Let's see the scores. Then we would know was it able to predict yes or no. Let's get right to it. So you see, Sporting versus Bordeaux, okay? I'm gonna open my Google, let's see. Okay. Sporting versus Bordeaux, that is 5-0, bro. Sporting won. Okay, let's check the next one. Arsenal versus Bayer, whatever. Okay, let's see. Arsenal, whatever. Okay. Uh, Arsenal. Okay, that was it. Arsenal won. Arsenal won. No gimmick, no tricks. Let's see. Was my AI or was the prompt engineering able to detect or able to give us the best outcome? Let's check our chat and see what we did yesterday. Okay, so yesterday we went through the whole prompt engineering. I I made clear that we had advanced techniques in prompt engineering, and I wanted to use the tree of thought prompt to narrow down in getting the best thoughts for sport betting. Remember, this is for educational purposes only. We don't encourage flirting. Well, okay, you didn't hear that from me, but nevertheless, let's get right to it. And I tried to use the tree of thought prompt as my base prompt, meaning that as the prompt chat should rely on in creating an advanced prompt. And after that, decide to merge it. We advanced the prompt to use the RAG and the COT workflow. As you can see right here, I set it to use this workflow to give us an advanced prompt. And it went down to give us a better workflow, which is right here. As you can see, okay? Then I went further by saying to make it comprehensive using this prompt to be able to analyze gameplays moving forward. It went ahead to give us statistics. Okay. Then I got the gameplay, I got the match feature for yesterday, and I put it on the system, which is here. That's it. And I ask it, okay, analyze these gameplays for me using the advanced model we described. And voila, it did that. It did that. As you can see, it was able to analyze the gameplays, and that's it. Sporting dominates win. It told us that Sportings were gonna win. I didn't know that, but it was able to use an advanced technique to get us the perfect score. Well, remember I said this is for educational purposes only. You need to bet wisely, but nevertheless, this was able to give us an accurate prediction of a win. The same thing with Arsenal of a win. Let's see. It said Chelsea versus PSG. Did they win? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Chelsea versus PSG. Let's see what happened yesterday. Chelsea versus PSG. Okay. Oh, well, PSG failed. PSG won. PSG won. Did it get correctly? Indeed. 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 It's fucking score. And you're here waiting to waste your money, your hard-earned money, paying for bookers, paying for online predictions, when you can actually get yours yourself. No gimmick, no tricks. It was able to give us accurate predictions using an advanced prompt engineering, which I think you need to go check my last video to see how you can get yours. Come on, man. You're waiting, you're wasting your time trying to get something, whereas it's right down in your fingers. Come on. I have this advanced prompt. Moving forward, it's gonna give us, you know, but no, back it once more. Let's see. Let's see the game for the day. This is 18th of March. Let us see if it's gonna give us a good result again. Okay? No gimmick. Let's see. I'm gonna get this for today. Okay? Take a screenshot. Put this down here. Gonna ask it, okay? Using the advanced prompt, give accurate prediction for wins. Let us see. Let us see. Let us see. Well, I might be giving this. I might be giving free bookings or free whatever it is, or free win tips for the day. But let's see. Now we want to check again. Will it win or not? Okay. So we're saying today's game, Barcelona is gonna win. The next one, Bayern is gonna win. Next, Liverpool's gonna win. Okay. It even gave us avoid games. Avoid this game and avoid this. So that's it. That's it. It gave us a confidence level in the sense that tells us how sure it is they're gonna win the match. And we're seeing here 8, 9, and 9. 9 is damn good. 9 is damn good. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. I used to wait it. I used to hold it on. I used to be broke this month. Come on, man. Come on. Well, remember I said once again, for educational purposes only. So I do not condone betting. I do not support gambling. But nevertheless, watch my previous video and see how you can use an advanced prompt for sport betting or any form of betting. It's able to analyze the game and give accurate predictions. Come on. If you love this video, please like, share, subscribe. And don't forget to turn on notification. Until then, see ya. Peace out.